Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you guys how to find Uber Eats promo code. So, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. It will help me to grow on this platform. Let's start. Open your browser, search for Uber Eats promo code. Then scroll down, go to Los Angeles Times website. Then select first promo code. Now copy this code. Then search for Uber Eats online. Scroll down and select order food to your door. Now you start selecting the food. It's my advice to don't forget to enter promo code before any bill or purchase. It's done.
If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.